Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. So, if you file a mandamus lawsuit, does that mean that you're going to have to appear in court or talk to the judge? The answer to that is no. We've never had a single case where a judge has asked to speak to the client that we're representing in an immigration delay case. They've never seek to have them appear in court. The government's never asked for it, and there's a few reasons for this. So first, mandamus cases for immigration delays usually focus on whether the delay is reasonable or not. And whether the delay is reasonable or not, most of the information that's relevant to deciding that is information that the government possesses, not information that the immigrant petitioner possesses. Number two, there's rarely discovery in these cases. So what that means is that the court rarely recommends or allows the other sides, the various sides, to try to gather new information from each other's side. So we would not be able to get new information from the government, new documents from the government, and just the same, they likely would not be able to get that from us. And that's because judges usually decide these cases off what's called the administrative record, or the information that's already out there. And then there's just also the practical consideration that the majority, most mandamus lawsuits are resolved with the petition being decided before it even gets to a judge. So normally when we file a mandamus lawsuit, the government gets 60 days to respond to the lawsuit. And rather than take the time to respond in 60 days and fight the complaint, if we have a good case, normally they will just adjudicate the case before that time comes. So this issue never even gets to a judge. So a judge certainly has the authority to ask a plaintiff to appear in court or to speak to a judge. There's no question about that. It's just that it would be very unusual and a very rare occurrence for a judge to actually do that in a mandamus case that addresses immigration delays. I haven't seen it happen, and there's just generally not a lot of good reasons for that to happen. So if you filed one of these cases, I wouldn't expect that to happen, and neither should you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Lots of videos we have on mandamus cases. We keep making them. So if this is a topic that interests you, this is a good place for new information on it. Thanks.